Hello friends, my name is Shanch Agarwal and welcome to our channel Fan Time for Kids. Today I am going to teach you how to use MyBlocks, Cloud Variable and lists. So let's see how to make it. So first I will teach you how to use cloud variable. To make cloud variable, you need to make a variable and use this option cloud variable stored on server. But this you can only use this if you are a scratcher. And to become a scratcher, use Scratch for 2 weeks and share at least 2 projects. When you are a scratcher, you can make cloud variable, name it, and when you make cloud variable, it will only support numbers, not letter or symbol. When you make a normal variable and a cloud variable, there in the cloud variable there is a little cloud, and in the normal variable there is none cloud. So this will be same as somebody left. So you can also make high score with this. So to make a high score, you will take when green flag clicked, set my variable to 0 and Shreyansh the high score variable to high score, and do when space keep refreshed, change point and my variable, and when green flag clicked forever, if my variable equal to Shreyansh forever, set Shreyansh to my variable. Now if we see the game, you can see now when green flag clicked, it will not change, but the score, my variable, it will be to 0. And if the my variable is the same as Shreyansh, then the Shreyansh will be that, and this will be same for everyone. So this is cloud variable. Now I will teach you how to use lists. Now you can make a list, and a list is almost same as variable. The variable can hold anything you like, but list can hold multiple things like add thing to Shreyansh list. And if I want to add something else, add 111. It will add, and you can also delete first of Shreyansh, delete all of Shreyansh, insert thing. So meaning if I add 1111 and I want to insert something at 1, I want to add a thing in front of this 111, it will be up there. And if you add thing will be at the bottom of the last one, and insert will be on the top of the first one. And you can also replace. So This was fifth one on one. I want to replace it with thing. So I will do this, and now that is also thing. Replace and item one of strength. So this is for some coding, and this is hide list and show list. And you can also make things, you can add things, and you can also make leaderboards with this. So this is lists. Now I will teach you how to use my block. This is very hard. You don't need to be a scratcher to use this block. These are this. You can make a block, name it, and when you make it, there will be this define, and you can grab this. And if you put this here, it will delete it. But if there is any usage of it, the scratch will say first to delete the uses. So if I delete this uses, then I can delete the my block. Now these are input. This is input, and this is a label. Here to label this, like name, block name, you can label it. Now this is useful. This my block is kind of like broadcast, but it is different, and this is used to make coding easier. Like I want to make this cat jump when I press space key. Now I have made a jumping code. When space key pressed, then it will jump. But this is, if you are doing very big coding, then it is hard to find where it is, where you put it. So you can use this. So I can do this. When space key pressed, it is kind of like broadcast. This is like broadcast. This is broadcast, and this is when I receive. When space key pressed, block name, then define this, so it will broadcast this. Now you can jump, but this is not making anything easier. So you can put this, you can grab this, and it will be this, and then you can put the repeat change. So I can do this. Now this will be a height, with the height. Now if I put -1, it will jump very less, very small jump. But if I put 100, it will jump very big, a very big jump. And if I put -10, it will do a normal jump. So this is used to make coding easier. You can also make another one. And then also make this too if you want to make another. So this is my blocks. So friends, if you like this video, press on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Fun Time for Kids. Bye.